Good morning. Welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. Inhale, sweep your left arm up over your ear and back down to the hip. Then sweep the right arm up over the ear and back down, waking up the side body. And the last time, sweeping the right arm up before coming to the top of your mat. Come up on your right toes, cross your right leg on top of your left leg, sit down deep. Stretch your arms forward, sweep your right arm under the left, and wrap the arms, bringing the palms to touch. You can stay here and lift the toes up away from the mat, or wrap the foot around the leg. Lengthen your tailbone down, pull your low abs in, relax the shoulders away from the ears, and find one point to gaze at, keeping the hips level here in eagle pose. You absolutely can keep the toes still on the floor. That's no problem. You're getting all the benefits. Release the pose. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale your hands to your heart. Sit down deep. Wrap your left leg now over the right leg. You can keep your toes on the mat. Sweep your left arm under your right arm, elbows to shoulder level. Or you can lift the foot up away from the mat. Perhaps you want to wrap the foot around the leg, pulling the left hip back, the right hip forward to keep the hips parallel and level to one another here in eagle pose. Squeeze the legs tight, squeeze the arms. Find one point to gaze at. One more deep breath. Release the pose, unwinding arms and legs, hands to heart. Working on our balance still. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up, rise up on your tippy toes, and exhale, lower your heels to the earth with control. Linking breath with movement, move in your pace with the rhythm of your own breath here. A few more times. Bring your hands to your heart, step way back with the left toes. Make sure your right knee isn't going farther than your ankle. Keep your hips level, soften your ribs in, come forward on your back toes and sweep your arms up to the sky for high Alana. Stay here or bend to the right. Inhale up and exhale, bend and reach towards the right. Moving in a micro pulse in the rhythm of your breath. Keeping the back leg completely stick straight. Now pivot your left heel down to the mat, open up, Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Shoulders stack directly over hips, so you can look back at your back wrist and make sure it's over the back ankle. And then sit down even deeper than you want to, trying to get that thigh parallel with the mat. Sweeping the right arm up and over the ear, go back. And exhale, forearm to the thigh, sweep the left arm over the ear, Parsvakonasana. Pull your right hip under you. If you want to go deeper, bring your fingertips in between the big and second toe. Press long line from the outer edge of the foot all the way up through the fingertips. Then come up, sweep the right arm up and back, straightening the front leg. You may want to shorten your stance here a little bit, and we're coming into Trikonasana. Bring your right hand to a block, your shin, or in between the toes. Now really pull the hips back and extend forward through the crown of the head to find even more length in the side body. Keeping a micro bend in your knee, rise up, sweep the right arm up and back. Exhale, windmill the arms down to the earth, come up on the back toes, low lunge. Release the left knee down to the mat, allow the hips to soften and release. Straighten the left arm, bring your elbow to the outside of the right knee, twisting, revolving open to the right. Bring your gaze up. Perhaps smile, advanced version of the pose. Release your fingertips to the mat, Curl your back toes under, step your feet to touch. Inhale, Ardha. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, extending the spine, long neck. Exhale, flow forward. One more time. I like to bring my fingertips all the way up to my thighs to really get lots of extension in the spine. Sit down deep. Stretch the arms up, Utkatasana. Inhale, hands to heart. Beautiful. Other side. Step way back with the right leg. Come forward on the right toes. Left knee no farther than the ankle. Engage your low abs. Straighten your back leg even more. Stretch your arms up. And exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, lift the left arm straight up. And exhale, lower it to shoulder level. Lean to the left. Moving with your own breath here. Now pivot the back heel down, coming into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2 on the other side. Relax your shoulders down away from your ears. Pull your low belly in to relax your tailbone down towards the mat. Bend deeper into the front knee. Straighten the back leg even more. And then inhale, sweep the front arm up and back. Exhale, forearm down to the thigh. Sweeping the arm over the ear, pulling your hip underneath you. If you want to go deeper, bring your fingertips in between the big toe and the little toe, creating a long line of energy here. Inhale, sweep the front arm up and back, straighten your front leg, and shorten your stance a little bit for Trikonasana. Hinging forward from the hips, hand to the shin block or all the way in between your toes. Keep a micro bend in the knee, and then bring your attention to your front foot. Make sure you're pressing evenly into the outside edge and inside edge of the foot. Lengthen the side body. Inhale, reach up and back. And exhale, windmill your arms back down to the mat, coming into plank. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Stay here or inhale forward to plank. Exhale, back Adho Mukha Shavasana. Few more times here. On the inhalation, you roll like a wave forward, shoulders over wrists, gaze forward, and exhale, use your belly to pull yourself back. Then lower your knees down to the mat, elbows tight to your side body, lower all the way down to your belly. Inhale, Bhujangasana, lift the heart. Exhale, lower with length down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, slowly lower. Engage the thighs so the kneecaps lift up away from the mat here in Bhujangasana. And exhale, lower with control. Bring your forearms parallel to one another in the side of the mat. Stay here or reach back with the right arm for the right foot. Stay here, kick the foot into the hand or revolve your fingertips around forward. Relax and release your right shoulder down towards in line with the left. Pressing the foot down towards the outer hip. This is a beautiful, massive stretch. Releasing, returning to Sphinx pose or stretch back with the left arm. Kick the foot into the hand or revolve the fingertips forward and relax the shoulder down in level with the right, opening up the left side of the body here. Press the mat away. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Spread the fingers wide from one another. Stepping the feet to the midpoint of your mat. Sit all the way down. Now grab onto the backs of your legs, your hamstrings. Lengthen the spine. Coming into boat pose. Perhaps you want to release the legs, keeping a long, low back. Engage the belly, pull the belly button in and up. Release the feet down. Bring your hands behind you. Press your heart up to the sky. Stay here or lift your seat, your bum up away from the mat. Press the hips up. Press your chest up. Open the heart. And then last time, lower down. Cross your legs. Sit up tall. and straighten your legs out in front of you. Lift the arms, lower down halfway. Remembering here that you are loving, you are lovable, and you are stronger and more powerful than you think or know. One more deep breath in and rise up. Crossing your legs, twisting open, hand to the outside of the knee, look over the shoulder, and then the other direction. Twisting in our final release of the spine. I'm wishing you a day full of laughter, lightness, and ease. Namaste.